Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Math is not boring, math is power. At Math Solver 1117, we unlock the power together. This is the only channel where you will find complete solution for A-level pure maths year 2. Subscribe right now because success began here. Now let's dive into chapter 1, that is algebraic method. We will solve complete mixed exercise in this video. So let's get started. Now the question number 1 is prove by contradiction that 1 by square root 2 is an irrational number. So we will solve this as, first of all, we will assume that square root 1 by 2 is a rational number. So let square root 1 by 2 is rational. So by the definition of a rational number can be expressed in the ratio of a over b for a b belongs to z. So square root 1 by 2 equals a over b, and condition for a and b that both are integers belongs to z. Now we will solve this further and get 1 by 2 by taking square root on both sides. 1 by 2 equal a square over b square. This means that 2a square equals b square. Now you can see b square is multiple of 2. B square is multiple of 2 because b square equal to ac, a square 2 is multiplied. So we can say that if this means that if b square is multiplied 2, then b must be multiple of 2. If its square is multiple of 2, then it must also be multiple of 2. So we will say that if this is multiple of 2, then we can write b equal to c. C is also some integer. It means when we take b square, we get 4c square. Now we will compare this equation and this equation and get, now comparing both equation, we will get 2a square equal 4c square, which implies that a square equal to c square. It's mean that a square is also a multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. If a square is multiple of 2, this implies that a is also multiple of 2. If both a square and a is multiple of 2, and already we have studied that b square is multiple of 2, it means that a and b both are multiple of 2. If both are multiple of 2, so it will become a contradiction because our statement was that a and b have no common factors. So it contradicts to our assumption. So square root 1 by 2 is irrational. Now we will solve question number 2. Now the question number 2 is prove that if q square is an irrational number, if q square is an irrational, then q is an irrational. So let we suppose that we assume that Q is rational and Q square is irrational. So we write Q as rational. Q can be written in the ratio of A or B, and A or B belongs to Z. So Q square equal A square over B square. It means that as A and B belongs to Z, these are integer, A square and B square also belongs to Z. It means that Q square is rational. So this is contradiction. So Q square is irrational and Q is also irrational. Now we will solve question number 3. Now question number 3a part is x minus 4 by 6 multiply 2x plus 8 divided by x square minus 16. We will solve this as x minus 4 and can be take 2 as common. So get x plus 4 multiply by divided by 6 and here x square minus 16. Here we can apply the formula of a square minus b square, that is a minus b into a plus b. And in our question we have x square minus 16. It's mean that x square minus 16 is the square of 4. So this will be x minus 4 into x plus 4. In this way we will solve this and write as x minus 4 into x plus 4. So all terms are cancelled out. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So answer is 1 over 3. This will be the answer. Now we will solve the B part. Now B part is x square minus 3x minus 10 and divided by 3x square minus 21. And here we have 6x square plus 24 and divided by x square plus 6x plus 8. We will solve this as x square minus 3x minus 10. Make the factor of this. When they are subtracted gives 3. So 5 and 2, x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. And from the denominator you will take 3 as common. So x square minus 7. Then here we will take 6 as common. X square plus 4. And in the denominator we will make the factors of 8. When they are added gives 6. So 4x and 2x. Now in the next step we will take x as common, remaining is x minus 5 plus 2 is common, remaining is x minus 5. And 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So x square minus 7. Here we have x square plus 4. In the denominator we will take x as common, so x plus 4, then 2 as common, x plus 4. So we will write the final answer for this. It will be x plus 2 into x minus 5 and into x square plus 4, x square minus 7 into x plus 4 into x minus x plus 2. So x plus 2 and x plus 2 are cancelled out. Write the remaining term and 2 is also here. So write the final answer. 2 into x square plus 4 into x minus 5, and in the denominator you have x square minus 7 into x plus 4. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the C part. C part is 4x square plus 12x plus 9 divided by x square plus 6x, 4x square minus 9, and this is divided by 2x square plus 9x minus 18. We will solve this as make the factors of 36. When you make the factors of 36, or another way is by doing the completing square. So completing square is much better. 2x square is the square of 2x, and middle term can be write as 2 into 2x into 3, and 9 is the square of 3. In denominator you can take x as common, so x square, x plus 6, and here you can apply the formula. Here you have 2x square minus 3 square, and in the denominator you will again make the factors of 36. You will make the factors of 36 as when they are subtracted gives 36, and when added subtracted r gives 9. So 36 factors are, when in the table of 1 it will be 36, when in table of 2 18. So 18 minus 2 is 16. So in table of 3 you will get 12. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So this will be the factors 2x square plus 12x minus 3x minus 18. Now this will become 2x plus 3 whole square. Here you have x into x plus 6 divided by, it will be, here we apply the a square minus b square formula, 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3, and in the denominator you will take 2x as common and x plus 6, and minus 3 as common, so x plus 6. Now you will write the next step, 2x plus 3 square into x plus 6, and division is converted into multiplication. You have 2x minus 3, and then when you convert this in the multiplication you will get 2x minus 3 into x plus 6 and 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 are cancelled out, x minus 6 is also, and this is also. So remaining is 2x plus 3 divided by x. So this will be the answer. Now this is the solution of first 3 questions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve question number 4 to onward for this mixed exercise. Best of luck for your exam. Keep learning, keep growing. Stay tuned.